Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make vegetable soup. First, select your favorite fresh vegetables, ensuring they are clean and ready for preparation. Next, chop all your chosen vegetables into consistent, bite-sized pieces. This helps them cook evenly and ensures a pleasant texture in every spoonful. Then, in a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat and sauté your aromatics like diced onions and minced garlic until fragrant and softened. This foundational step builds a rich flavor base for your delicious soup. After sautéing your aromatics, it's time to build the liquid base for your soup. Pour in about 6 cups of high-quality vegetable broth, along with a 14.5-ounce can of diced tomatoes for a touch of acidity and sweetness. Now, season your soup generously with 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and your favorite dried herbs like oregano or thyme. Bring the mixture to a gentle boil, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it simmer for approximately 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. As your soup nears completion, add any quick cooking ingredients. Stir in about 1 cup of fresh spinach or other leafy greens, allowing them to wilt into the hot broth during the final 5 minutes of simmering. Before serving, always taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as necessary, perhaps a pinch more salt or pepper, or a dash of your favorite hot sauce. Ladle the warm, comforting soup into bowls and garnish with fresh parsley, or a light drizzle of extra virgin olive oil for an appealing finish. Your homemade vegetable soup is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve it piping hot with a side of crusty bread for a truly satisfying meal. This soup is perfect for a cozy evening or a healthy lunch. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days, or freeze portions for longer enjoyment. For easy meal prep, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. We hope you love this simple, nutritious recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.